Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw money from eBay, or how you can transfer funds from eBay to your bank account, or how you can transfer from eBay to your Payoneer account. Okay, so as you know, like eBay partnered with Payoneer. Like for people outside of the US, the only option they have to withdraw your money is to link their Payoneer account to eBay. But if you live in the US, you can just link your bank account, or you can also use your Payoneer if you want. But I'm going to be showing you first some like basic thing you need to know. Now you want to click here on my eBay in the top right, and then you want to click on selling, and then you want to click on payments. Alright, so now after guys you click on payments, you want to scroll down, and here it says payout schedule. Now you want to click here next to it, you want to click on manage, and here you can change your payout schedule from daily to weekly to monthly to every other Tuesday if you want. Okay, so you can change this as you want. I would like to select daily. I always want to like receive payments every single day to my bank account or my Payoneer account. Just select daily here. Okay, now after guys you select here daily, then what you need to do guys next, you want to click here my eBay, you want to click on summary, you want to click on accounts, and then you want to click on payments. In the payment information, click on payments, and you want to click on add cards and accounts, and you want to then click on payouts, and then click continue. And now you can either add your bank account here. If you have an option to add the bank account, you can do it, but only I have option to add my Payoneer account to receive money from eBay because I live outside of United States. Okay, so if you have an option here to add the bank account, click on it, and then click add the account number, the routing number, and then click continue. And then you will ask you guys for the information like your bank account details, just account number or bank account, like your name that is listed in your bank account, and your routing number, the account number, and then you want to add that bank. Okay, and then every single day you will receive the payments automatically to your bank. Okay, that's how it works. That's how it works for me. I always receive every single day payments to my Payoneer account because like I said, I don't live in the United States to add my bank account. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. If you don't understand anything, go to the comments below and tell me exactly what your questions are. I reply to everyone. Drop a like on this video, that will be highly appreciated. See you guys next video.